In the heart of the 19th century, Ireland, a land of lush green fields and vibrant communities, faced an unforeseen crisis. The year was 1845, and the once prosperous nation was about to be engulfed by a calamity that would test the resilience of its people. The potato, the staple food of the Irish, was a humble tuber that sustained millions. Known as the white gold, it provided nourishment to the impoverished masses and formed the backbone of the Irish economy. However, this seemingly invincible food source was about to reveal its vulnerability. The crisis emerged in the form of a tiny, microscopic organism, the potato blight. This insidious fungus, Phytophthora infestans, spread rapidly, infecting and decimating potato crops across the island. By the end of the year, the blight had ravaged over 1 million acres of potato fields, leaving behind a trail of devastation. The consequences were swift and severe. With their primary food source destroyed, the Irish population was left with little to no food. Starvation loomed, and the once bustling villages and towns descended into despair. The cry for help echoed across the island, but the aid came too little, too late. The Irish people, famed for their stubborn resilience, fought back as best they could. They scoured the barren fields for any remaining potatoes, and those who could afford it turned to the expensive alternative, imported grain. Others resorted to desperate measures, such as eating nettles and seaweed to stave off hunger. Yet, the blight continued its relentless march, and the death toll rose. By 1852, over 1 million Irish had perished, and another 1 million had fled the country in search of food and work. The Great Famine had left a permanent scar on the Irish psyche, a reminder of the fragility of food security. The aftermath of the Great Irish Potato Famine was a time of reflection and reform. The British government, criticized for its lackluster response, initiated reforms aimed at preventing such a catastrophe from happening again. The Irish economy was diversified, and the focus on a single crop was abandoned. Today, the memory of the Great Irish Potato Famine serves as a stark reminder of the importance of food security. It underscores the need for diverse farming practices, disaster preparedness, and effective government response in times of crisis. As we continue to grapple with challenges related to food security, the lessons of Irish history echo through time, guiding us in our quest for a sustainable and secure food future.